Hare Krishna. This is Aishwarya and this is my channel Basics by AJ. In this video we are going to make complete North Indian meal, that is dal, roti, sabzi and chawal. This is the basic everyday North Indian meal. Hope you will like it. We'll start cooking with dal. Here I have taken 1 cup of tuar dal and 1 cup of moong dal, and I have soaked them in clean water for 1 hour, and now I'm adding it into a pressure cooker, and I'll add 5 cups of water into it, and then I will add half a tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of salt. Here I am going to add one very special ingredient into this dal, that is called khatai. Basically it's a raw mango coated with all the achari masalas. If you add this thing into your dal, it gives a nice achari flavor to your dal. That's all we have to add, guys, and now I will close the lid and let it cook for at least 5 to 6 whistles. And once the whistle is done, we'll wait, let it cool and transfer it into another bowl. And now we'll prepare for tadka. Now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, and we'll let it get hot, and once it's hot we'll add cumin seeds, that is jeera, khada jeera, into it, and we'll add half a tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, which will give a nice color. So our tadka is almost ready, and now we'll add it into our dal. I've taken a plate and just added this tadka into the bowl of dal, and see what a perfect color. It's just like dhaba style. So friends, your dal is ready. Now we are preparing for potato and capsicum sabzi. So friends, in North India when you cook dal, chawal and roti, there has to be one sabzi, and it has to be dry sabzi. So here I have taken 6 potatoes and 1 big capsicum. I have peeled the potatoes and cut them into long pieces, and so with the capsicum. Now I have taken a heavy bottom kadhai. In North India we generally use mustard oil for cooking all the vegetables. So here I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and half a tablespoon of asafoetida and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, and this is dhania powder, guys. 2 tablespoons is enough, and then some garam masala into it. I've taken half a tablespoon of garam masala, stirred them into the oil, and now guys I'm going to add potatoes into it. And first of all we'll let the potatoes cook because it takes time. Later on, once the potatoes are cooked, we'll add capsicum. Adding half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and half a tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch. We'll stir them nicely, and adding salt, half a tablespoon, and after stirring them, guys, we'll close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. I've opened the lid and now I'm checking, and yes, the potatoes are ready, they're cooked. Now we are adding capsicum over here, and once the capsicums are added, we'll stir them nicely so that all the masalas get coated onto capsicum as well. Now I'm adding some more salt into it. Mix them nicely. And guys, again we have to close the lid so that the capsicum too gets cooked. Now I'm adding half a tablespoon of amchur powder, that is dry mango powder, and our potato capsicum sabzi is ready. Now we are preparing for rice, boiled rice. To boil the rice, I have soaked 2 cups of rice for about half an hour, and after cleaning it thoroughly, I am adding it into a bowl. This is the bowl of electric cooker, and now I am adding water into it. You can check guys, from the base level this much water should be there, and now I'm going to place that bowl into the electric cooker and closing the lid, and it will get ready about half an hour. And our rice is also ready. So here I am preparing to knead dough. I have taken 2.5 cups of wheat flour in a big bowl like this so that it's easy to knead. I'm making space in between to add water. Now we'll slowly mix this water into the atta, and slowly we'll add the water, not just at once, and keep on mixing it until it becomes a smooth dough. Guys, don't forget to wash your hands with soap before you start kneading the dough, and also remove your rings, finger rings, if you are wearing any, otherwise it gets really messy. So guys, this dough is almost ready. Rest of the process is just to make it smooth by kneading it. The more the dough is smooth, the more your rotis are in shape and fluffy. So guys, your dough is ready. Now I have taken small part of dough and rolling it until it gets smooth and round, and I'm coating it into a dry atta, and now I'm rolling the rotis with the light hand. Just keep coating the dry atta so that the roti does not stick to your base, and the roti is almost ready. It's round. To cook a roti, I have taken a tawa over here and heated it for a while, and placed the roti onto the hot tawa and let it cook for some time from one side. And once it is cooked from one side, with the help of a tongue, we'll turn it onto other side so that it cooks from other side as well. Once both the sides of rotis are cooked, we'll place it directly on the flame. With the help of tongue, we'll keep turning it, and guys, your roti is ready. So with this roti, we have prepared our dal, roti and sabzi, and of course rice. So everything is ready. Now it's time to plate it. I have prepared this plate to offer it to Lord Sri Krishna, so I have added tulsi into it, and to offer it to Lord Sri Krishna I am ringing a bell so that Lord comes and tastes it and it becomes a prasadam. So guys, hope you like this video where I have prepared the basic meal of North India, which is basically for beginners. So keep watching my video and subscribe and like to my channel Basics by AG.